Hey Roderick, I figured I'd send you a video of your harness and ECU running. I already shipped out the Edelbrock intake and the fuel rails and everything else, and this one fired up in just half a second. It's not even up to full operating temperature yet, but it's running really nice, so I figured I'd get a video of it running. That's barking 44-inch Continental MPT81, so those are heavy tires, but I figured I'd get up on the highway, but air fuel ratios are starting to program in. But again, this is only 2.5, 3 minutes of runtime so far. So yeah, let's take it up this on ramp and get up to speed here and see how she does. Yeah, it's starting to learn. They're always, oh, there it goes. They usually run a little lean as they're dialing in, but yeah, all in all, really nice so far. Gotta back off the throttle because there's a car right next to me on the freeway, but not bad for an uphill on-ramp at 5,800 feet here, but yeah, really strong running ECU and harness, and it is windy as all hell, and you got this truck with this amount of wind up here. Gotta be a little careful because she wants to wander on me, but all in all, running really nice. You can see I'm just kind of floating along on the throttle and 14.7 AFR air fuel ratio. That's beautiful. And this is where it has to learn. Yep, there it goes. Down to 13, around 13 AFR. This one will get you good gas mileage and run really strong. You can see. Yeah, I got some lumpiness to these tires today. Yeah, really nice, strong running computer and harness. So I'll get this loomed up tonight and throw the distributor, your air filter base, and the fuel pump in that box, and I'll get it heading out your way. And looking forward to hearing how your standalone EFI conversion swap goes. You should be getting that intake maybe tomorrow or the next day or something. But all in all, pretty nice.